Alright, how's everybody doing today, or this evening rather, because the sun has went down? Back again with another video for you guys and girls, and now what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the Luoyme Sports Earplugs Bluetooth Truly Wireless Earbuds. Okay, now I had to pick these up because the earbuds with the hooks are some of my favorite styles of earbuds, and y'all know I'm trying to get into that truly wireless. We're trying to dive a little bit deeper into that truly wireless lifestyle here. So hashtag truly no cables down below in the comments if y'all know what I'm talking about. That being said, I picked these up for a really great price, so let's go ahead and unbox them and get into my first impressions with you guys and gals. Now starting off, let's go ahead and talk about the packaging. Now I gotta say this, the presentation on this looks awesome, alright? You can see we got a really nice picture of the truly wireless earbuds with the hooks up front, okay? And you can see it does say TSW 5.0. Alright, flipping it to the bottom, you can see some of the different color variations that these earbuds come in. So they got black and yellow, they got white and yellow, they got red and black, they got gold and yellow, they got blue and yellow, and they got white and yellow. Alright, and we actually got the red and black right here. Or at least that's what I believe this is. We're gonna find out. Flipping it this way, which is upside down, my bad y'all, you can see these are truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Alright, cool stuff. Flipping it down here, again you got the color stuff again. Flipping it to the back, now here we got some more information right here. So you can see the model number on these is the Q9, and it does have Bluetooth version 5.0 on board. It's got a 10-meter operating distance, so 10 meters are 33 feet, and they've broken it down into talk time right here. And then you can see all the functions that you have here, so auto pairing, power display, music and talk functions, 3D sound, so it should have really good sound. We're going to test that out, and I'm going to let y'all know in the full review. Smart 2-in-1, so this should support dual pairing, we're going to find out, and redial to your last call. So all really nice features. And overall, I gotta say, this is some really nice packaging. Now, let's get into this box. Oh yes, oh yes. Alright, let's get into this box, y'all, let's go. So cracking the seal on this. Now, as I always do, I already cracked all the tapes and seals off camera just to make the unboxing experience a little bit faster, and hashtag no struggles on deck. At least I'm hoping for that. Let's go. So this should be a struggle-free experience. So taking everything out the box here, see what else we're working with. So let's see, nothing else in the box. That's it, it's empty. Put this off to the side, and let's see what we're working with here. So we got the earbuds themselves in here. They look like they're in there pretty good. And then right down here, we do have the cables. So we got a USB-A to, not sure what style connector this is. Looks like a barrel style connector. Alright, and then we got the regular USB cables here. So we got, again, a USB-A to micro USB. Alright, got a bunch of these. This should be for charging. To be honest with y'all, not really gonna use these. I got a bunch of high quality ones. So let's throw this off to the side. Then we got a bunch of different ear tips. As always, this is very important for you to find the right size and get the most comfortable seal and comfortable fit. Alright, this also helps with the sound isolation. Alright, good stuff. And then it looks like we got a user manual here. Alright, we're going to take a look at this in a second. But let's check out these earbuds. Let's go. So here is the charging cradle. So you're supposed to be able to drop the earbuds in here, and then they're going to charge right up. Alright, and you should be able to charge this, so you keep this charged, and that's how you charge the earbuds. Okay, put that down for a minute. Now let's see how we get these out of here. Okay, so they pop up Ooh, they in there pretty good. So this is one earbud right there. Let's get the other one out of here. And here's the other one right here. And let's see. Now, they both got controls on them, so this should be able to work whether you want it on the right hand side or the left hand side. So that's really nice. Let's put this off to the side here. And if you flip it to the bottom, this is the port that lines up with the charging cradle. So you just line this up and you drop it on. Okay. Then we have our volume buttons here. So that's really nice. Okay. And it looks like we have a dedicated microphone right there as well. Okay. So volume up and down and a microphone on one. And then we have a button on the other one. And again, we got the volume up and down and another microphone. So hopefully calls and voice dictation on this should be awesome. All right. So that pretty much goes over the earbuds. Let me do something real quick before we take a look at the user manual. Let me try them on, give y'all my first impressions of how they fit. So give me 1 second. We're gonna do this in real time. Oh yes, so we got the fully adjustable wings. All right, so good stuff. Oh yes, it's a nice snug fit. All right, that's awesome. Let me put the other one on. I'm really feeling these adjustable wings because it makes it easier to put it on, and then you put it around your ear and you fit it on exactly how it would fit your ear, and it stays in place. All right, so now they're both in. They feel great. I'm moving my head around pretty vigorously back here. They're not falling out, so really good stuff. And I got really nice sound isolation. I hope I'm not talking loud right now, but they fit really good. So good stuff there. Matter of fact, let me take a picture real quick. Whoops. So you guys and gals can see what they look like. Give me 1 second. Let me snap a real quick selfie. All right. Bam. So this is what they're gonna look like in your ears. So you can see, looking real good right there. Bam. And you can see, because the ear wings are fully adjustable, I can get that nice snug fit in my ears. So these are awesome. I think I'm really gonna enjoy using these. All right, so good stuff there. Okay, now let's check out the user manual and we'll wrap this video up. Okay. All right, and I do believe when you're ready to charge them, it should line up and fall in something like this. All right, I gotta read the user manual and figure it out, but they should slot in here somehow and then charge. So I'm not entirely sure how they slot in, but I gotta read the user manual and figure that out. All right, so it does say right and left. So it is labeled right and left on the charger. And let me see, it's labeled on the earbuds as well. So you can see it's labeled on the charger. It's labeled on the earbuds right there. So that's the left one. Nope, that's the right one. Y'all know I need glasses. That's the right one right there. So that will go into this one right here. And then the other one will go into the other side. But I gotta read the user manual and see how these slot in. And then we'll see what it do. All right, so let's check out the user manual and then we'll wrap this video up. Let's go. So let me just rest these down here real quick. Rest that like that. And now let's check this user manual out. All right, so really bare bones user manual on here. extremely straightforward. What do we got? One page in English and another page in Japanese or Chinese, I'm not really sure. Let's give you close-ups on both of these. Now, we're going to go over everything you guys and gals need to know in the full review, but I know some of you guys and gals like to see a close-up of the instructions on the user manual, so let's do that now. Feel free to pause and read this for yourselves. Give y'all this close-up. Bam, that's one side. Bam. And here's the other side. For you multilingual people, if y'all know how to read that. Now, I could just break out my Huawei phone and translate that, but nah. Boom. Alright, so really nice user manual, extremely clean, extremely straightforward, really nicely laid out, not bad. I'm going to read this in a second when we wrap up the video. So, first impressions of the Luoyme Sports truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds with wings. I think I'm really going to enjoy these. Now, as with all of my Bluetooth headphones or earphone reviews, this is going to take me about 2 weeks to review. So y'all be on the lookout for this review video coming soon. We're also going to do the usual, so y'all will see a fit and sound demo with these as well. So y'all be on the lookout for that. That being said, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this real quick video here this evening. This whole video here this evening was recorded using the rear-facing primary 16 megapixel camera on the Bold N1 in 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second with no external microphone hooked up. So please let me know how you think the Bold N1 did with the overall video quality and the overall audio quality. And as always, if this video piqued your interest, please feel free to check out the video description down below. That video description down below is going to be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. And if you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful in any way, shape, form, or fashion, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. And if you would like to see more content like this, don't forget, you can also feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. Alright, hope everyone has a great evening, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace, everyone. Alright, let's figure out how to charge these, and let's charge them up, and let's get this going. Whoo, I think I'm really going to enjoy these. Peace. Alright, real quick, because I just figured this out. There's a little pin here, right, that goes up. And that pin that goes up corresponds to the holes on the earbuds. So when you want to charge these, you line up that little pin with the holes, like so, and you push it down. Alright, and it slots in. So you'll know when it's in all the way. So this is in all the way. Alright, nice and snug all the way down. And now when you need to charge the earbuds, you just push this power button. And you would charge up the earbuds. Now this is dead, so I gotta charge this. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So when you need to charge these, you line up the holes with the pins and it slots all the way down. And this is how the earbuds are gonna look when you charge them. Alright, just wanted to show y'all that real quick. Now let's go ahead and plug this into the charger. Let these get juiced up and then we'll start testing them. Alright, so sorry for this little add-on, but I just want to throw this on here. Really good stuff. And this actually looks pretty cool, especially with it slided down all the way. That looks pretty awesome. Alright, have a good one, y'all. We out of here.